Hey guys, what's up? It's Scott Clark with Scooter Media, and today I'm going to show you guys how to import files into Premiere Pro. On this channel, we provide filmmaking tutorials and tips and tricks, as well as doing some product reviews. So if you are new here, please consider subscribing. Let's get into it. There are a few different ways to import files and folders into Premiere Pro, and the first way to do this is to go up to File and scroll down to Import. This will bring up the import box, and from here we can import one file. We can hold Shift or Control and click on multiple files to import, or we can import a folder. The second way to do this is to use the keyboard shortcut, which is Control-I on a PC and Command-I on a Mac. This will again bring up the import window with the same options. The third way is to double-click inside the project window, and again this will bring up the import box and options. And the last way to import files and folders into Premiere Pro is to simply drag and drop them into Premiere. This way we can just click on one file, multiple files, or a folder and drag it into Premiere Pro. If you guys found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please think about subscribing. Thanks for watching today's video, I appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one.